So tell us a little bit about the development of the linear accelerator at Stanford. We've got some slides on that.
Sure. Hansen, who clearly was a card-carrying genius, understood before the klystron had been invented that high-energy X-rays or electrons would enable a lot of interesting things to be done. And once the klystron was invented and Ginson told them he could scale it to a megawatt, they had the perfect power source to drive the accelerator. So they got busy and built one. Hansen unfortunately passed away in '49.
Yes.
And so Ed Ginston took up the work. This led to SLAC, which was a really big deal. And then it also led to using the linear accelerator for medical radiation treatment. And here's a picture of the klystron that drives it and the accelerator structure. And this was an even bigger deal to some of us because I'm sure some people in this room are alive only because of radiation therapy.
Varian went on then to commercialize that, and has turned out lots of those machines.
Yeah. This was first introduced in the late 50s. It took a long time before they had commercial success, but they stuck with it. And once the medical community learned how to apply the technology and develop the protocols and things, it became clearly very much a successful project, and that led to commercial success and hundreds of thousands of them in the field.
Mm-hmm. And so it's basically unchanged today. It's the same idea.
Yeah, it's been refined.
Just refined, but
yeah, refined and improved, but same basic concept.
So what other kinds of products did Varian turn out based upon the microwave tubes and technology? Anything else come to mind?
We've talked about most of them. In any kind of high-tech, leading-edge stuff, there are a lot of things that don't work. Probably shouldn't go into those.
And tell us about this, the radar range. How did that come about? That's not a klystron, that's a magnetron, but...
Yeah, well, after the war, this great business kind of went south, and people were looking for other applications, and one of the ideas was using microwaves to heat food or cook things.
Mm-hmm.
And the story is, I don't know if it's true or not, somebody had a candy bar in their pocket and they were standing near a radar antenna and it melted. Anyway, it's a pretty simple idea, but to figure out how to do this at an affordable price was a real challenge. So a number of companies tried it, including Litton, including Raytheon. Both of them had some early products in the field that were caught on. But it took Asian manufacturers who learned how to make these things incredibly inexpensive and with great reliability to commercialize it. I have a microwave oven at home. It's been in our house for 27 years. It still works perfectly. And the microwave tube in it costs $7.
There's technology for you.